All right, here's our next exciting example. A local youth group is planning a trip to a local amusement park. The bus they are taking holds 32 people. It's not that big a bus. It will cost $25 for parking, and tickets to enter the park are $22.50 per person. The equation that models this is C of n equals 22.5n, in other words, $22.50 per person going, plus 25, the $25 for the parking, where C represents the cost for the group and n represents the number of people going on the trip. Find a reasonable domain and range. All right, so let's talk independent. Independent. It's going to be, guess it, and n again, which is the number of people. Number of people. And our dependent is going to be C, or the total cost. So let's talk domain. What's the smallest number of people that can go on this trip? Well, we could have a very sad trip and have as few as 0 people go on this trip. It could happen. It could happen. It would be sad, but it could happen. And then what's the largest number of people that could go? Well, if they're only taking one bus and we're not going to break any laws, the most we could have is 32 people. So n is between 0 and 32. All right, to figure out our range, basically we're going to figure out the cost for 0 people and the cost for 32 people, because that's our highest and lowest cost. So we need to figure out C of 0, which would be 22.5 times 0 plus 25. Now if we do some calculations, that comes out to $25. Why would we drive an empty bus to the park and just park it and then nobody goes in? I don't know. Don't question me. It could happen though. So $25 is the lowest cost if they just drive an empty bus to the park. The highest cost would be C of 32, which would be 22.5 times 32 plus 25. And the calculation there will come out to $745. So the highest cost we can have is $745. And so C is anywhere from 25 to 745. All right. The last example, by the way, we're not going to work in the video, but make sure it is ready to go, typed out or taped in or ready to go so we can do it when we go to class. All right? And smash the like button. Bye-bye.